Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the new notification. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the roof, you can see the lights and all, very beautiful, good decoration of lights and the sides. You can keep this one. Also you can see the mirror, the wall decoration, the lights and all, and the floor. The luxury house. This one also you can see the luxury room, you can see the up lights, the down lamps and all, and the floor, very beautiful. This one also you can see the red color cotton and all, and the chair, the bed, beautiful luxury bed and all. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the cotton silver color, the wall silver color, and the bed and all, and the roof floor, very beautiful. This one also you can see the cotton, the mirror, window outside. You can see it is a mirror only, and the lamps and all. You can see the lamp. It is looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful in blue color. The lamp, the lights and all. You can see beautiful lights and all. This is also you can see very beautiful. You can see the lights and the full sides. You can see cotton and all, and the lamp and the floor and the. This one also you can see the stairs, beautiful stairs. You can go up and the side. Luxury room you can see. And this one also you can see the luxury and the VIP room. You can see the lights and all, and the bed and the mirror and the side, the roof floor, roof wall decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lamps and all, and the back side wall decoration, beautiful. The floor. This is also very beautiful. You can see the luxury house room, bedroom. It is looking very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the up lights, the lamp, the mirror and all, and the floor wooden theme. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the lamps and the up lights. You can see the roof, the wall and all, very beautiful. Good decoration. This also you can see the side lights, the mirror, the up and the floor. You can see very beautiful. This one also you can see the lights and all, very beautiful lights, the orange color light and all, beautiful decoration. I love this one. And which one you love, tell me, comment me down. This one you can see the gym, you can do exercise. This one also you can see very beautiful. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment down and press the bell icon when I post my new video, and you will get the notification first. And tell me which room you like, comment me down. And I hope you like this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care.